AAG recommends this rare 5 bedrooms condo. Floor-to-ceiling windows let in plenty of natural light. Spacious master bedroom that can fit a good-sized bed. Spacious bedrooms for your family. Soak in the bathtub to unwind your day. Study room that can also be your home office. Chilling out with your guest at this cozy corner. Check out these amazing facilities. Your kids would love this. Check out this rare feature. Call our AAG real estate consultant to find out more. AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and Thai.